In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Facebook on Hostinger. If you want to display Facebook content directly on your website, Hostinger makes the process quite simple. This is useful if you want to showcase a Facebook page plugin, a post, or another embedded Facebook element, so visitors can interact with your social presence without leaving your site. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and ready to work on the website where you want the Facebook content to appear. Since this process involves editing your site, it's always a good idea to know exactly which page or section you plan to update before you start. Next, click on your profile area. From there, navigate to your website section. This will take you to the list of websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the site you want to edit, and then click on the option to edit the website. This opens the website builder so you can make changes directly to your page layout. Once you're in the editor, look for the Elements section. This is where Hostinger keeps the different content blocks and tools you can add to your website, such as text, images, buttons, and custom code areas. The feature you need here is the Embed Code element. Click on Embed Code and place it in the section of the page where you want your Facebook content to appear. Positioning matters, so think about where it will look best for your visitors. For example, you may want it in a sidebar, on your home page, or in a dedicated social section. After that, this is where you can paste your Facebook Embed Code. Make sure you've already copied the correct embed code from Facebook before this step, so you can simply insert it into the code box without interruption. Once pasted, Hostinger should recognize the code and display the embedded Facebook content in that area of the page. Take a moment to review how it looks inside the editor. If needed, you can adjust the placement so it fits naturally with the rest of your site design. This helps the integration feel clean and professional rather than crowded or out of place. And that's it. That's how to integrate Facebook on Hostinger. Once everything looks the way you want, you're ready to move forward with your website updates and make your social content part of the visitor experience.